trying to pass it over to McDonald, not fast enough. It's right out the gate. He takes a shot on Pino. In the corner to the left. Both teams fighting to free it. Lorenz almost with a shot opportunity, trying to take it. Man, lots back out and forth. Line up in front, a shot goes up high. Puck gets won by the Wolverines. OCA now on the defensive. And in front, goal by the Wolverines. Puck slowly makes its way in front to flies over to Sinclair now. Sinclair working on taking another one. Wolverines goal! OCA Melissa tying things up 10 minutes and 15 seconds to go. McDonald passes that one out and away. And a shot from afar into the net. And a shot from afar. Pino going almost into the net. That puck flies over the side. He picks it up over McDonald. McDonald to Sardelli. Sardelli taking a shot off the board. Off the stick into the boards, rather. Doesn't quite win that for McDonald up the first one. And another shot. Goal again. Slot. Tarrant falling it too. Flies right in front of the Blazer net, off in the Boris Hell left. The Wolverines pick that one up. Shot and nothing. Taking another shot on Pino, and Pino bouncing on that puck. A brief play with 10 seconds left to go to the power play opportunity. Taking a shot at the goal by Bulger. This is going to step that way, picking up the puck. Schindel on a post, taking a shot, and away it goes off to over the right of the away zone. Picked up by Sardelli. Sardelli over to Sutherland. Sutherland with a shot, and into the pass. Burr to pick up that puck. He's lining up a shot, takes it. Pino on the other side. He's trying to figure out as they're going back and forth here, side to side.